In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and manage coupons in GoHighLevel to enhance your payment options. First, we'll jump right in and open the payments area, which is the heart of managing transactions on this platform. To get started, you'll need to log into your GoHighLevel account and navigate directly to the payments section. Within this area, you'll find the coupons option, which is crucial for setting up discount offers and promotional deals. Now, if you find that the payments section isn't visible in your interface, don't worry. This typically means that you need to connect your Stripe account first. Stripe is a widely used payment processing platform that seamlessly integrates with GoHighLevel. Once you've linked your Stripe account, ensure that payments are enabled in your sub-account. This step is essential because, without enabling it, the functionality required for managing payments and discounts won't be accessible. Once you're in the coupons area, it's time to create your first coupon. To do this, simply click on the Create Coupon button, which will lead you to a page where you enter essential coupon information. You'll need to come up with the descriptive coupon name and a unique coupon code. For example, if you're offering a 20% discount, you might create a code like SAVE20. Next, decide on your discount type. You can choose between a percentage-based discount or a fixed amount. This flexibility allows you to tailor the promotion based on the needs of your business and customer preferences. Let's delve a bit deeper into configuring the discount. If you opt for a percentage discount, common choices might include 20% off or 50% off. It's an excellent way to lure in customers who are price sensitive. Alternatively, if you're going with a fixed amount, you might offer something like Rs 500 off or $25 off. The fixed amount method is often effective for products with a consistent price point. Now, on to setting your coupon rules. This step allows you to customize how and when the coupon can be redeemed. You can set an expiration date, ensuring that the offer remains valid only for a limited time, which can create a sense of urgency. You might also want to set a maximum number of redemptions to maintain control over how widely the discount is used. Other options include setting a minimum purchase amount, creating a one-time use-only coupon, or deciding whether it applies to subscriptions or one-time purchases. With your coupon configured, hit the Save Coupon button. Now it's readily available for use across various purchasing touchpoints like checkout pages, order forms, payment links, and even funnels. Finally, let me guide you on how to apply these coupons in funnels or on websites. Open your desired funnel or web page where you intend to use the coupon. Edit the order form and enable the Allow Coupon Codes option. Remember to save and publish these changes. This setup ensures that your customers can easily apply the coupon during their purchase process, enhancing their shopping experience and encouraging higher conversion rates.